Hello and welcome to the Complete Angular and NestJS course. I'm Antonio Papa from scalablescripts.com, and in this course we'll build an admin app from scratch. This course is very practical and we will start directly by creating two projects in this course. The first project will be an authentication system where we can register, login, logout and reset our password using emails. The second project will be our admin app, where we will learn how to authenticate again, but this time we will have different layers of access using roles. We will create a live dashboard for the sales of the user, we will create products with images, we will export CSV files, we will use event emitters and many more concepts. In the end, we will Dockerize our app and we will deploy it to the Google Cloud Platform. This course combines two of my other courses as well as an extra 1.5 hours of extra content by deploying the app to Google Cloud. With everything in one place, this is a great way to kickstart your Angular and NestJS coding. Keep watching for previews for the apps that we will build, and also looking forward to seeing you on lecture 1.